Traders, if you can make $500 every single day, that is $15,000, 500 per month, and more than $182,000 per year. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you a very simple strategy that you can apply to your trading system and be able to make $500 every single day. And yes, that is the same strategy I use. As you can see, guys, I'm currently running profits on my Euro USD trade. As you can see, guys, I took this trade using the same strategy that I'm about to teach you guys. Low risk entry, targeting high probability setups. So if you're new around here, please make sure to subscribe and let's get started with this video. So traders, one of the best ways you can trade in the forex market, the first thing is always keeping your trading as simple as possible. Only go in for setups that you can interpret, just like this. So I took a trade on Euro USD, guys, and I was basing off this same strategy. I've been using this strategy for more than I don't know how many times. I've backtested it. It makes money, guys. Literally, just go to your daily time frame. Just go to your daily time frame. When you go to your daily time frame, you're going to notice that these candles are either pushing to the upper side or coming to the downside. There is no way when you're going to find these candles are intact. Well, the only time when you find these candles when are intact like this on your daily time frame, just like this, it means that is a consolidation. So we don't do anything right there. We can just mark it out and wait for price to break, that part, so that we can continue with the trend, whatever market is going to go. So what you have to do is mark out your previous high and low. So what I did, since today is a Wednesday, I didn't trade on Monday, I didn't trade on Tuesday, I traded on Wednesday. So I took my trade on Wednesday. That is when I had my probability set up, and I told everyone in the VIP, we are not trading Monday and Tuesday. So meaning, I marked out the candle of Friday, and which is the candle for Friday is this one right here, as you can see, guys. So I marked out its high, just like this, and its low, just like this, as you can see. So the reason why I mark out the high and low of the previous candle, the high acting as our resistance and the low acting as our support. So we want price to either break the upper part or lower part, as you can see, traders. So now when you come into the 4-hour candle right here, traders, so I'm going to be explaining this. Traders, I want you to notice that you see this was the lowest point of Friday last week, and this was the highest point of Friday last week. Now we didn't have a reason for price to come back down here. As you can see, guys, we didn't have any reason. You see, when you zoom into the smaller time frame, you're looking for price action. You're looking for a reason price to come back here, and we didn't have any reason, because you can see here we have more of like a fair value gap right here. Let me show you, traders. You can see here this would look like a fair value gap right there. You see, traders, but obviously when you zoom into the 1-hour candle, you see there's no fair value gap. You see, let's zoom out. Let's come this side. You see, guys, there is no fair value gap. You see, meaning fair value gap was filled. Step number 1 is always marking out the high and low of the previous candle. Step number 2, looking for price action. We didn't find anything here, but again, we came across a pattern. So this is a triple bottom. You can see we have a triple bottom. You can see we have 1 bottom, 2 bottom, and then 3 bottom. You can see, meaning this is a triple bottom, traders. So meaning when you pull this line and put it right there, you can see we have now a triple bottom pattern. This is a reversal pattern to the upper side. Our last puzzle piece is now seeing price break this upper part, because remember we said we want to see price either break the upper part or the lower part. We want price to break this part right here, you see, and come back for a retest. Now I didn't take the trade after price broke out here and this retest right here. No, I didn't. I waited for like a proper retest, because this was more of noise. This was like really more of noise, and you can see price didn't go any further. So I took my trade right here when price came back for the retest. And before I go any further, traders, I want to show you that whatever I share with you on this YouTube channel, this is something that I share with my mentorship students. So let me play for you a video I played when I was showing my student when price came back to this zone right here. I set my student and I told him price is approaching our zone. Let's be prepared for confirmation so you can take the trade. So traders, you can see this is my friend. Again, he's my friend and also he's my mentee. You can see. So I sent him this video on Telegram. You can see. So I'm going to play the video. You see it right here. This is the video.
Okay, bro, what's up? So as we talked yesterday, remember we marked out the high and the low, and I told you we shouldn't take trade there. We shouldn't wait for price to come back here. You can see price is currently coming back here, and also price gave us 3 candles. So probably price might bounce off from this zone right here to go back to the upper side. So we'll be looking to buy here. If you don't have confirmation, then we won't take the trend.
So you can see, traders, I sent him the video, you know, and I always do this with all my mentees. I send them, I tell them this is where I'm expecting price to come to. You see, traders. Then after a period of time, I sent him this. I told him, now I'm in profits. I took my trade. Yes, I risk, but again, this is the only way you're going to make money. You risk as long as you're willing to lose a certain figure. If you're fine with what you're losing, then it's fine, guys. So you can see, I took the trade, I made some money off it. You see, guys. And these are the same trades I'm still holding, but I always let them open because I want to make this video, guys, so that you guys can learn from this. But you can see my entry. My entry is this same exact part. Let me come to this part so that you guys can see the triple bottom. You see, traders. When I zoom out like this is the triple bottom, you can see that's where the same part I took my trade, as you can see, traders. So I took my trade when price broke this blue line. This blue line was acting as our support now. Since price had broken it, so becoming our support, you can see. So I took my trade here, and I didn't take it on a higher time frame. I confirmed on a smaller time frame because we had a pin bar candle, and the pin bar is just enough for me to confirm. So I took my trade right here. You see, I was targeting this part right here that was acting as a zone. This one right here. So you can only see it when let's put a line like this so that you guys can see. Then come back to the 1 hour candle. So this is how I took my trade, guys. You can see, took my last trade risking only 5 pips. I told you, my trades were only targeting like low risk entry points. You see, you can see, putting my stop loss just up right here, which was around 5 pips. You can see, traders. That was my first trade of the day. So I closed off some partial profits, but I left others open because price again came back to the same exact line. You can see, traders. Price now respected our zone right here. And not just respecting our zone. When you look at the daily time frame traders, price has been coming in a downtrend. Look at this. Downtrend, now price is reversing over to the upper side. So this temporary coming down, or what you call a retracement, price just came. This was like temporary. So you can have an overall, you know, price going back to the upper side. Because again, the reason why this happened, you can see we had price aggressively go up. So this was expected. And then after this, price is going to continue to go to the upper side, traders. You see, now on my 1 hour candle, again, as I mentioned, I waited for price to come back to this zone right here. You can see, give us a candlestick pattern. Candlestick patterns are the easiest way you can confirm your trades. Price gives us a bullish engulfing candle pattern right here. In our trade, we are just taking it off this blue line. We wanted price to break the blue line and retest it. The blue line is last Friday's high. So price had to break it, but it didn't break it on Monday. It broke it on Tuesday and retested it again on Wednesday, which was today, and we took our trade. As simple as that. I told you I keep my trading very simple. First step, mark out the high and low of the previous candle. Second step, look out for price action in the 1 hour candle or the 4 hour candle. Third step, wait for the retest. Wait for the retest. If you don't see the retest, don't take your trade, guys. Wait for the retest and confirmation and then take your trade. Make sure to use a stop loss or a traders, and that is how you can make $500 US every single day. And guys, do you know that you only need to make $130,000 per year to be the world's 1%? If you don't know, now you know. This is the best way you can trade in the forex market, traders. I'll see you in my next. Make sure to apply this to your trading system. All you have to do, mark out the high and low. Look for price action. As simple as that. I'll see you. God bless you.